Hello and welcome to the channel. This is an audiobook kind of a thing in which we will be dealing with NCERT chapters, class 11th geography. Firstly, we'll be doing the Indian geography part. It has been proven that when we listen to something, we are able to recall it later. So instead of wasting your time listening to songs and stuff, it's better that you listen to the NCERT audiobooks from my page or from any other page, from wherever you feel comfortable. Okay. So let's get started. I'll be reading NCERT, which is India Physical Environment, Class 11th Geography, Chapter 1. We are doing in this video India Location. The mainland of India extends from Kashmir in the north to Kanyakumari in the south and Arunachal Pradesh in the east to Gujarat in the west. India's territorial limit further extends towards the sea up to 12 nautical miles, which is about 21.9 kilometers from the coast. Our southern boundary extends up to 6 degree 45 minutes north latitude in the Bay of Bengal. Let us try to analyze the implications of having such a vast longitudinal and latitudinal extent. If you work out the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India, they are roughly about 30 degrees, whereas the actual distance measured from north to south extremity is 3,214 kilometers. What is the reason for this difference? For this, you need to consult chapter 3 on the topic latitude, longitude and time in the book Practical Work in Geography. This difference is based on the fact that the distance between the two longitudes decreases towards the poles, whereas the distance between two latitudes remains the same everywhere. Find out the distance between two latitudes, that is 69 million. From the values of latitude, it is understood that the southern part of the country lies within the tropics and the northern part lies in the subtropical zone or the warm temperate zone. This location is responsible for large variations in landform, climate, soil types, and natural vegetation in the country. Now, let us observe the longitudinal extent and its implications on the Indian people. From the values of longitude, it is quite discernible, which means can be seen, that there is a variation of nearly 30 degrees, which causes a time difference of nearly 2 hours between the easternmost and the westernmost part of the country. You are familiar with the concept of Indian Standard Time. While the sun rises in the northeastern states about 2 hours earlier as compared to Jaisalmer, the watches in Dibrugarh and Imphal in the east and Jaisalmer and Bhopal or Chennai in the other parts of India show the same time. Why does this happen? Name a few places in India through which the standard meridian passes. India, with its area of 3.28 million square kilometers, accounts for 2.4% of the world's land surface area and stands as the 7th largest country in the world. Find out the names of the countries which are larger than India. Those are Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil and Australia. And the places through which the standard meridian passes are MP, Chhattisgarh, UP, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. Size. The size of India has endowed her with great physical diversity. Thus, you may appreciate the presence of lofty mountains in the north, large rivers such as Ganga, Brahmaputra, Mahanadi, Krishna, Godavari and Kaveri, green forested hills in northeast and south India, and the vast sandy expanse of the Marusthali, which is the desert. You may further appreciate that bounded by the Himalayas in the north, Hindu Kush and Suleiman ranges in the northwest, Purvanchal hills in the northeast, and by the large expanse of the Indian Ocean in the south, it forms a great geographical entity known as the Indian subcontinent. It includes countries like Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and India itself. The Himalayas, together with other ranges, have acted as a formidable physical barrier in the past. Except for a few mountain passes such as Khyber, the Bolan, the Shipkila, the Nathula and the Bomdila, etc. It was difficult to cross it. It has contributed towards the evolving of a unique regional identity of the Indian subcontinent. By referring to the physical map of India, you can now describe the physical variations which you would come across while travelling from Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from Jaisalmer in Rajasthan to Imphal in Manipur. Peninsular part of India extends towards the Indian Ocean. This has provided the country with a coastline of more than 6,100 kilometers in the mainland and 7,511 kilometers in the entire geographical coast of the mainland, plus the island groups of Andaman and Nicobar located in the Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep. Now the coastline has been revised, and you have to drop the revised coastline in the comment section. Thus, India as a country is as physically diverse land providing occurrence of varied resources. India and its neighbors. Examine the location map of India. You will notice that India is located in the south central part of the continent of Asia, bordering the Indian Ocean, and it has its two arms extending in the form of Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea. This maritime location of the peninsular India has provided links to the neighboring regions through the sea and air routes. Sri Lanka and Maldives are the two island countries located in the Indian Ocean which are our neighbors. Sri Lanka is separated from India by the Gulf of Mannar. Do you think that physical barrier is a hindrance in interaction with our neighboring countries in modern times? Give some examples how we have overcome these difficulties in the present day. That was all about this chapter. Now this is in less than 7 minutes, and you can listen to it twice or thrice and at some even higher speeds, which would help you inculcate and grasp these words into your memory. I know at first it will sound boring, but if you do this 2 to 3 times while looking at your book, इसको सिर्फ ईयरफोन से अपने आप को सुनते जाओ, and then just move your eyes through the text of the book, I can guarantee you that these things will get imprinted in your brain. Okay, so this was an easier chapter. It was just the first chapter, and I hope that you all will continue listening to these audiobook kind of a thing for NCERT books, and I hope you'll benefit from this. Thank you. Subscribe. And don't forget to comment the revised coastline of India. Thank you.